Alafia Reserve. This is like, there's about 4 parks with the name of Alafia in it. There's the Alafia River Corridor North, the south version, Alafia River State Park, and then this one I'm at is Alafia Reserve. Crazy enough, lo and behold, I did not realize, I've been here before. This place is probably one of the sketchiest places I've ever been to. People kind of graffitied it up, looks trashy. There's not anyone here. I actually don't even know where the trail starts. So I did see one little trail, but I wanted to see if there was a more apparent one, but I guess it's where I thought it was. The more I think about it, I need to actually find a trail because I don't want to be exposed to poison ivy or anything. So let's go. So this place is really, it's kind of in the area of like a deed restricted community. And you just wouldn't think there's a reserve back here. But so far this is what it looks like. And like I said before, I had been here before, so this will not be a new park of 2025 for me. But this could be the 3rd YouTube video that I'll have. Back in that corner, it looked like a little tent. No, maybe a tent, but maybe a chair or a backpack. There's that poison ivy. Those can change color in winter. Well, it looks like this used to be a little boardwalk here, and it's gone. But I don't want that to stop me, so I'm gonna kind of yield just a little bit here. Snake alert and poison ivy alert. Here we go. This looks like Alderman's Nature Preserve because they put little pieces of plywood on a tree to swing off the tree. Look at this. It is a beautiful visual. It is really cool. Alafia River at its finest. Although I wouldn't want to swim in there, but I would want to put my feet in there. Man, they, on one of the websites that I go to, I think it's called like floridahikes.com, they did say it's very limited hiking, and I do remember that to be true. Well, I saw one person hike out here. It is pretty getting to see the Alafia River, but there's like, feels like there's only one trail, so I'm very, very limited in where I can go. But the flow of the river is just pretty. That brown tannin water. I don't know, someone may come up behind me, so I'm also trying to be mindful of my surroundings. This may not be a long video at all, people. And I can yap pretty good, but I really don't want to go that route per se, but it is a beautiful sight. I'll try to give different visuals. I'll try to do that. you know, I don't think of this visit as a bust, but a little discouraging. Heading back because I don't see any other trails. And the maps that are provided for me from 2 different websites, they don't offer much, or it's really that they don't really have a hiking trail here aside from the main trail that I'm on. There could be someone living out here. As I mentioned, I saw looked like to be a little backpack or tent or a chair or something. That's unfortunate. People need to come out here and make this a whole better place and clean up. But it starts with one person. And, you know, I guess that could start with me, so. A short video, my friends. Short video. I may roam around, show videos of the shelters, but it just shows you it hasn't been utilized properly, or it's looked good in a long time. A lot of palm trees, that's for sure. Would I buy this land if I had the money? Oh, tempting for sure. Just to go alongside the river. Good enough for me. No other trail. Weird. One of the most limited reserves I've ever been to. Probably the most limited. Odd. Last time I went out here, I felt, no, you know what? It's probably because I actually probably ventured out off the beaten path. That was probably 3 or 4 years ago. But, man, limited. The 3 shelters back here. I didn't want to go over there because that person I saw back here, I'm kind of keeping my guards up here. But I don't see nothing else. Nothing else, people. So I decided to go to Lakeland Highlands Scrub Reserve, which is probably maybe 20 minutes from where I was, so I don't have a lot of time. It closes at 6:30. So let's see what I can do, see what I can record. Most important thing on that first video, there's a connector trail that goes to Se7en Wetlands, which I thought was pretty cool. So I've been here before. This is probably my 3rd time. Definitely not a favorite of mine, but I get to go somewhere, so I'm thankful. So alright, let's do the Se7en Wetlands connector trail. Both of those places are free to go to. This is more like it. This looks to be a little bit more open. Gonna be on the lookout for some deer. Temperature right now is very good. It feels like it's like in the 70s or so. It feels really good. Se7en Wetlands, the connector trail coming up. Sun is coming down. Sun is setting. Be thankful for the sunsets and sunrises. Be thankful for those. One day we'll never see it again. It really does offer, with the sun setting, the lighting, it does offer some unique, cool photography. But you gotta know your places, you gotta know your equipment. Gotta think outside the box. Makes me wonder, am I in Se7en Wetlands yet? And I probably won't be able to find out with this place closing at 6:30. According to this, keeping left will still send me to the Wetlands Connector Trail. But for some dumb reason, I want to not believe that, even though I should. We'll see. We'll see. Worst case, go on the boardwalk, show some visuals, and head on back. I was not planning that to be in the video, but it just kind of worked out that way. I'm assuming I'm still heading to the Se7en Wetlands Connector Trail, but who knows at this point, and I'm kind of free roaming, but my free roaming is going to end very soon. Very, very soon. Okay, I decided to turn back around. I hope this video can be semi-entertaining. I think half the video, not half, but close to half of the video is showing my face. Sun is setting for sure. A lot of cool silhouettes. And the head on back, had about 45 minutes. And when I originally thought I only had 45 minutes, I mean, that's not a lot of time, but you know what? That's 45 minutes of time that I could use. And we tend to take advantage of time sometimes, and time is important because you can't ever go back. And I'm just gonna be here right now in the moment and enjoy it. So by the end of this hike, I think I've gone, for sure gone over a mile. I just don't know if a mile and a half will actually work, but it's okay. I'm burning calories, and that's one of the things that I like to do. Some months ago, the heaviest I was that I paid attention to was like 212, and by eating less ultra-processed foods, I went down to 200. Something really cool, very thankful for. And lately, the past couple months or 3 months, I've gained a little bit of it back. I think I'm like at 202 point something. It's not off by much, but somewhere I don't want to be. So it's good to be aware of your weight gain and weight loss, and not to beat yourself up for it, but also not to be naive and think everything's gonna be okay, because you have to put in the work. So, man, I think my last job, I was busy almost all the time. That, like, I think I remember being at like 187. Man, that'd be pretty cool, man. But a realistic goal would probably be, man, 195. But I got to put in the work and have a plan and not just say it. So in my head, I'm just saying it out now. But eating less processed foods really will benefit your body and your health later on in your life. This may be nerdy to some, but man, just the visuals here. You have your gray, your white, you got your yellow, the silhouette. Man, all those combinations of landscape really makes for a cool landscape photo. Look at that, that is cool. We'll see if those still pictures I took will show its true beauty. Usually stuff like that, anytime you're out in nature, it's the best with your eyeballs than it is with the camera.
scrub. Just got done with the hike. Obviously I did not probably even do half of it, but here we go.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If not, still love you.